Learn a Hadith with Muskan and Sarah.
Assalamu alaikum Muskan and Sarah.
Walaikum assalam, mommy.
Muskan and Sarah, please get ready. Inshallah, we will go to the mall once your daddy comes from office. We need to buy some groceries and some winter clothes. We will have some snacks and then leave, so that you guys won't be hungry.
Okay, mommy. Assalamu alaikum, mommy and daddy.
Walaikum assalam, my darlings. How was your school today?
It was good, daddy. We had art class today. It was a lot of fun.
Okay, great. Have you milk now? We are getting late for the mall. I think the winter clothes section is in the back.
Mommy, the clothes and shoes here are so pretty. Can we buy them? I can wear new clothes to school every day.
But Muskan, we came here to buy some winter clothes. You have lot of clothes to wear for your school.
But mommy, we can give our clothes away and buy new clothes. These are so pretty. We like to wear new clothes.
Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Richness is not the abundance of wealth. Rather it is self-sufficiency." Contentment means you are satisfied with what you have. You don't need new clothes or toys to be happy. You must thank Allah for whatever you have. Then you will get better things, inshallah.
Mashallah, mommy. Jazakalla for telling us the beautiful hadith. Muskan and Sarah, you have to be satisfied with what you have. And most importantly, thank Allah for everything you have. And also we must give charity for the people who need essentials, instead of buying things we don't need. And inshallah, Allah will give us reward in the hereafter for that charity.
Okay, daddy. We will inshallah be contented with what we have. And instead of changing things frequently, we will give charity to the needy. Then inshallah, Allah will give us reward in the hereafter.
Mashallah, my darlings. Now we will take what we need and will head home.
Okay, daddy. Please subscribe to Quran and Hadith for kids. For more videos, hit the bell icon now.